Oh, Simba, you look scary with Flash.
Can I open it?
Yes, you can.
The last
No,
one?
you can't. You
No,
gotta wait.
I just want to make sure
You gotta wait till next year. Sorry.
it's the only
Keys.
one left. The rest are for Ryan. He's not here.
She's gonna get so frustrated.
What, you tape it all? Oh my gosh.
She's already getting frustrated, Mark.
50.
Mark, where's
She's
this
already getting
third?
frustrated.
Now,
Why
I
would
put
you
like
tape
20
it?
pounds of tape on that baby.
Why?
Because
Oh, I got it.
not done yet.
I'm just gonna rip the box. Yeah, if I rip the box.
That's probably the biggest
What did you get me? Oh my gosh. What is it? A memory card? It looks like your memory card. I have no idea what this is. No idea. What is this? Piece of
Don't tear it.
paper? Oh, did you print something on the computer? I can't tear it? I'm gonna tear it. I can't open it.
I'll get you my box cutter. Hold on.
Is the flash on? Oh.
Are these sharp? There we go. What the heck?
What's that? Yeah.
What is this?
Thank you.
Oh my.
Now you know what I get something I want. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That's one of their songs. I'm so excited.
Oh god.
I'd have never done that if I hadn't watched that.
Are you gonna go with me?